Well, it's refreshment time again. Got a little something this week I was gonna share with y'all. My son showed me this one last year. Found it pretty sporty. We're gonna mix it up today. Get your glass of ice. We're breaking out the Fireball again. Still got a little bit left of that. Pour your old Fireball in there. Oh, I reckon we're gonna do the same. Looks like about 1/3. 1/3, 2/3 should work. And today we're gonna mix that A&W cream soda. Not the root beer, the cream soda. Sometimes they can be a little hard to find, but I found it just for this. Get that mixed up in there like that. Looks like we got little bubbles coming out today, don't we? We'll have to let that set a spell. We'll mix it up. Well, get your old stirring finger cleaned up. Give her a spinny rooney in there. It all blended up good. That old A&W cream soda got a lot of old fizz on it, so. That right there is pretty old good drink. Let's taste just a bit of it. Yeah, there you go. Give that one a try. It's pretty old good. Fireball and a little bit of A&W cream soda. See you on the next.